This is how to make 2 minutes mug cake. No egg, no butter, just flour, sugar, dry milk, baking soda, water, and your mug, of course, then your microwave. Just 2 minutes mug cake. Yes, let's go there. All you need is 4 tablespoons of flour, all-purpose flour, 2 tablespoons of granulated white sugar, half teaspoon of baking soda, not baking powder, soda, 3 tablespoons of milk, dry milk, 1 tablespoon of olive oil, any oil you have, or melted butter. But I'm using canola oil. 1 teaspoon of any extract you have. I'm using a vanilla extract since it's an vanilla mug cake. Add water, but don't make it too runny.